Hello everyone, this is Nemea Wantang with Family Travel Africa. I have shared quite a bit in the past on Instagram and our YouTube channel here about our recent visit to Kenya. One of our videos covered the safari trip in Masai Mara. We also had another video on things to do with kids in Nairobi. And in this video, we will share with you our walking tour of the historical town of Mombasa, coastal city, and our tour of Fort Jesus. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it.
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe